Hi, today we're going to learn how to use your site tools to better manage your website and email. After you log into your site tools, you're going to see your site tools dashboard and a list of pin tools on the right hand side. To control the list of pin tools, just click on Edit Pin Tools. As you can see, you have many options for your pin tools. The most commonly used tools, for example, is WordPress. With WordPress, you can log into your website and make updates. To log into your WordPress, go to the Actions section on the right-hand side and click on the arrow. Great! You are now logged into WordPress. From here you can update images and the copyright from your business website. The second option is your email account. From here you're able to manage multiple email accounts. To add an email account, simply write the account name. Then choose a password, then hover over the button and click Create. Great! And it's that simple, done! To log into your email account, scroll to the right-hand side of the page and click on the dots of the email account you would like to log in. Then click Login to Webmail. From your business email dashboard, you can send professional emails as an established business. It can also be linked to your G Suite or Outlook. The third and fourth options is to manage your data and analytics. If you want to check out the popularity of your business and see how many people are landing on your website, just scroll to the bottom of the page and click on View More. Here you can see how many visitors and interactions your website is having, the audience and country that is viewing your website the most, and what page they're interacting with the most, which is super important for conversions. You have all these benefits and much more on the menu located on the left side of the screen. I hope this short video helped you understand and manage your site tools a little better. If you have any other questions, please go to the bottom of the screen and click on Support. You can click on Live Chat or fill out a form so one of our representatives can reach out and help as soon as possible. Thanks.